Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create web stories in WordPress. So let's begin. Alright, so to create the web stories in the WordPress, first of all what we need to do, we have to install the plugin. So as we know, for that we have to go inside the plugin and click on the add new plugin here. And from here, let's just click on the search bar. You have to search for web stories here and you will be able to see the web stories by Google here. So we have to install this. Okay, so let's click on the install now. Now let's click on the activate. Okay, so now you'll be able to see the option of stories here. So we have to go inside here. And from here, we can simply create a new story here. So if you want to create the new story, you can simply do it from here. But if you want to use the pre-made template here, you can simply use it from here. Okay, so I just want to use the template here at the moment. Okay, so I'll simply go here with this one, use template. Okay, so as you can see here, we have all the images that we had in our media library here. And here you can see the template of our story here. So if you want to edit this, you can simply edit it from here. So if I just click on the text here, I can simply edit the text from here. If I click on the image here, I can simply edit the image and I can also delete or change the image from here as well. Okay. So if I just click here, you can see this is our next story. And here you can simply put down your name. Here you can simply put down your image here. That is really easy. Process of creating the reels here is really easy. Okay, so if I just go onward, you can see this, we have these images and we have this simple text. So if you want to edit this, you can simply do it from here as well. Okay, so here we have the insert. So in the insert, we have the media, we have the text, and we have the shapes and the sticker, and in the last we have the page templates, and after that we have the style. So in the style we actually have nothing since we haven't selected anything. So let's click on the text here. Now you can see this, we can simply change or play around with the values of the style of our text here. And in the last we have the document. So in the document, as you can see this, we have this visibility. So if you want to change the value of the visibility, you can simply do it from here. After that, we have publishing, and after that, we have the poster image for our story. So if you want to add the poster image for your story, you can simply add it from here. And if you want to add the description for your story, you can simply do it from here. Okay. So I want to add the poster image for my story. So I'll simply click here and I'll simply click on upload a file. And now from the media library, I will be picking a file from here. So let's go here with this one. Select a poster image. Okay, so let's just select this part here, crop the image. All right, so now we have uploaded the poster image here, and you can also upload the publisher logo as well. But right now I won't be adding any logo here. So let's click on the publisher and you can add the title here, travel story, and you can simply add up the description if you want, and you can change the visibility from here as well. Okay, so now let's click on the publish again. Now I want to add this story on my new post here. Okay, so that is why let's just click on the add to new post, and we will be redirected to create a new post on the WordPress. And here, as you can see here, that a story is added automatically, but if you want to add it by yourself, let's just delete this from here. And now let's click on the add option here. Okay, so we have to search for stories here. Okay, so let's select the web stories here. And here you can see this, we have the three different options. The first one is the latest stories. And if you want to select the selected stories, you can simply do it from here. And if you want to select a single story, you can also do it from here. Okay, so let's click on the single story here and click on the select story. So as you can see this, we have created the story earlier, so I will be using that. So let's click here and click on the update, and this will be added on our WordPress website. So this is how we can do this. And if you want to increase or decrease the size of it, you can simply do it from here. You can see here, and you can see here we have this poster image. So if you want to change the poster image, you can simply do it from here. You can also change the title of the story from here as well, and you can also see the story dimension, and in the last you can see the option of display as the preview. All right. So now let's just click on the publish here. Click on the publish again. Now let's just have a look at our post. All right. So now you can see this is our story here. So if I just click here, you can see this, we can change the stories from here as well. Okay. So this is how it works. So this is how we can create the web stories in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.